Hi, I'm Michelle Simone and I'm a hairstylist, and today I'm going to talk about how to make your hair grow faster. So there's a couple things you can do to try to make your hair healthier, and in turn it's going to grow more, and the hair that you grow is going to last longer. It's not going to break. When you have unhealthy hair, you have dry, damaged hair, it tends to break at the ends, and that's why it's not getting any longer. So one of the first and most important things you can do is get regular trims at your hairdresser. And if you don't want to go to the hairdresser all the time, you can take your hair and cut it yourself if your hair is long enough, if you're feeling adventurous enough. But section it off is going to be the easiest way with a couple of clips. And you're going to pull the back of your hair into two sections so that you can see it in the mirror. And you're going to take the ends with a comb and a pair of shears, and you're just going to trim the edges. Or you can always have your hairdresser do that. Something else that you can do to help improve the health and quality of your hair to make it grow faster is to take fish oil pills. And I'm not a doctor and I can't prescribe you anything, but the fish oil really helps to improve the health and texture of your hair, which will make sure that it doesn't break. And another thing that you can do is to eat better in order to improve your general health, which will in turn improve the health of your hair. So I'm Michelle Simone, and we just talked about how to make your hair grow faster.